Yet.
All right, John hooked up. We should be able to see it soon.
Let's run for it.
He's right down there somewhere.
Got some fight in him.
He made a good run, then he kind of is tired out a little bit. Excited to see it. Oh, I can see him. Oh, it's a grouper.
No.
Yeah, man, you got a grouper. Hopefully you get him in.
Well, how are we gonna get him in?
Well, he's not huge, but he's a grouper.
Do they have teeth is what I'm saying? Like, is that something we gotta worry about?
Bring him over here. Bring him over here. There he is, man. That's a nice fish, John. Hold that baby up, dude.
Woo!
Hold him out if you can.
That is really
Can
pretty.
you turn him? Yeah, hold him up there for a while. That's a nice fish, dude.
I think we took the grouper, those kayakers, huh?
We're gonna keep that guy. He's nice.
That is so pretty. It's
Awesome, man.
golden.
All right, we're gonna put him on a rope.